Welcome. This video is the more detailed demonstration of how to work stacked decreases reversibly when you are mimicking a garter stitch fabric with action on the wrong side rows. Fox Paws is such a pattern. If you seek to mimic garter stitch with action on the right side rows or a stockinette fabric, this is not the solution you seek. There is a solution, but this is not it. So let's get started. I have a swatch set up for knit 3, stacked decrease knit 3. You'll recall to mimic garter stitch, we will need to do 2 passes. So there's an A side and a B side. We are working the far side stitches and slipping the near side stitches. So for knit 3, I work slip and then knit, slip, knit, slip, knit. Now I have reached my stacked decrease, and the challenge is I need to divide the stitches so I can work the decrease. So I need to split up all these pairs, which means I get a couple of double pointed needles, and I divide the pairs so that the near stitches are on one needle and the far side stitches are on a different needle. I am doing an 11 into 1 stacked decrease, so yes, I need to split up 11 pairs, which means I need to slip 22 stitches. And let's see, I'm getting close here. I have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, one more pair, and yes, I've got the correct number at the end, so okay, I'm ready to go. I will leave the near side stitches parked on the double pointed needle. I will need them when I come around on the B side. So I will work a stacked decrease on the far side stitches. You can use whatever method you like. I am going to use Zandy's method, which is knit 3, and then knit 5 together. We will see if I can even begin to do this. I think the way to do knit 5 together is going to be to knit the first one and then to pull the other 4 over. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, so that was a knit 5 together. Knit 5 together. And now I pass 2 stitches back and I do a knit 3 together, which hopefully is a wee bit easier. There's knit 3 together, pass 2 stitches back, knit 3 together again, pass 2 stitches back, knit 3 stitches together. I have turned 11 stitches into one stitch. And I like to put a pin in this. That is not 100% necessary, but it is sometimes useful on later rows to know where that decrease ended up. And then the last thing I need to work on the A side is my knit 3, so that's slip knit, slip knit, and slip knit. Okay, so that's the A side of the fabric. I turn the work. And now it's time to work the B side of the fabric. I start with knit 3, so once again it's slip and knit, slip and knit, slip and knit. Now I get to my stacked decrease. I slip this stitch, which is the marked one, that was the stacked decrease from the A side, and you see the stitches I need for the stacked decrease on the B side are waiting on the double pointed needle. So I just need to work a stacked decrease. So I'll do 1, 2, 3, and again I think the knit 5 together worked better by knitting 1, passing the stitch back, and then pulling the other 4 over. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, so that's what a knit 5 looks like. Pass 2 stitches back and knit 3 together. Pass 2 stitches back, knit 3 together a second time, pass 2 stitches back, let's see if we can get that back there. There we go. Pass 2 stitches back and knit 3 stitches together a third time. And that completes the 11 into 1 decrease on the B side. And I will put a pin in that. Again, not completely necessary, but often helpful on later rows to make sure the pattern is lined up. And then I just continue with the pattern. In this case it's knit 3, so slip and knit, slip and knit, slip and knit. And that is a stacked decrease. If you are working fox paws, the next row would be change colors, work across all the stitches in 1x1 ribbing. So there you are. That is how to work a stacked decrease reversibly when mimicking garter stitch with action on the wrong side rows. Happy stunt knitting!